It's time to take this walnut board up a notch. I'm resawing some end grain accent blocks on the bandsaw, adding in cherry, maple, and teak to bring contrast and a little personality to the mix. Between cuts, I joint the edge of each blank to keep the slices consistent. Clean edges make clean glue-ups. And speaking of glue-ups, when working with end grain, it's important to keep the end grain glued to end grain. You glue face grain to end grain, and you're asking for trouble when the wood inevitably moves. Once the accents are ready, I cut the main walnut blank, lay out the new pieces in an offset pattern, and go in for that final glue-up. One more clamp up and we're almost there. Part 4 is coming soon. Time to bring this board to life.